Rising steadily in Warsan 4, 27 East and Garden Residences by Mirha Homes continues to make a confident progress. The project has now reached 21% overall completion, marking a significant milestone in our journey toward delivering quality and innovation. As you can see on site, the building foundations have been fully completed, forming a solid base of this premium residential development. The basement floor is now complete, along with all structural works between the basement floor and ground floor, including retaining walls and columns, the crucial phase that strengthens the building's core structure. The ramp casting has been successfully completed, ensuring seamless access and functionality. Moving upward, the ground floor slabs and columns are now complete, and construction is actively progressing on the first floor, bringing the vision of 27 East and Garden Residences steadily to life. Every phase has been executed with precision, quality craftsmanship, and strict adherence to timelines, reflecting Mirha Homes' commitment to excellence. Stay tuned as we continue transforming this vision into reality.